Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, gather your network details including SSID, encryption type, and password. Use a password that is at least 8 characters long for security. Next, select the correct security type such as WPA2 or WPA3 depending on your router. Decide whether the SSID is visible or hidden before encoding. Also choose whether to advertise to 4 GHz or 5 GHz. 4 GHz gives better range and 5 GHz gives higher speed. Keep the network name. Open a trusted QR code generator and select the Wi-Fi or connection payload option. Enter the SSID, security type, and password exactly as collected. Choose PNG or SVG output for clear edges and scalable printing. Set error correction to medium or high so phones can still read despite wear. Print the code at a target size of about 3-5 inches on a contrasting background for reliable scanning. Leave a margin of about 4 mm as a quiet zone around the barcode. To connect, open the phone camera or a QR scanning app and point at the barcode. Confirm the displayed SSID and security type before tapping the Connect button. If the device offers an automatic join prompt, accept it to complete connection quickly. When automatic join fails, manually enter the SSID and password into Wi-Fi settings as a fallback. Keep printed barcodes in private spaces and change passwords if you suspect they were shared. Finally, test connectivity by browsing or pinging a reliable website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.